right, guys, so I'm opening up this bookshelf. Kev's actually helping me. This bookshelf is from YITA LLC. They sent it to me to review here on my channel, and I'm super excited to review it. I'll give more details once it's all assembled. I'll also have details down in the description box. But I have, for the most part, I have decided to put it here, to put it right here. But that may change once it's all built and everything. So we're gonna go ahead and get this all assembled, and I will take you guys along with me. So here we go. I like this, looks very like modern industrial, which my look down here kind of is more modern industrial, I guess, farmhouse, if you will. And here is the after of my YITA LLC bookshelf. YITA LLC is a brand of furniture and auto parts. There's YITA LLC furniture and auto parts on Amazon. And I love this bookshelf in here. It ties in with some of my black elements in the rug, some of the pillows. I have the black, it goes with my black arched farmhouse lights. So there are some black elements down here. I have black books. Now, because of how my boys, this is like their domain down here. I have one sunroom here and one there, and then right over here is the laundry room and bathroom. And then we have the TV room. This is their domain. This is where they game and hang out. So this chair sits right in front of the bookshelf, angled for their TV. Ignore all this. I want to do a whole new wall over here, and I have plans for this space. So when I get to that, I'll share it, but I don't like how this is, to be continued. They have the chair facing their TV for gaming. I think it works. I love the bookshelf. Let me go in and just show you up close. Let me go in and just show you up close. Now, not everything is pretty down here. For instance, I need to get more paint to paint over my spackled areas. I apologize. There's not a cute way to hide this outlet. I've tried multiple different things. And then of course we have the ugly air conditioner for the summertime. So when that's put away in a couple more months, it's much prettier down here because I don't have this beast. But at some point, I like to find two things that complement each other to hang on each side of the window. But for now, that's what I have. So let me pan around. Again, ignore the spots that need to be painted. There's a couple. And of course, that air conditioning is an eyesore, and so is that cord. I think I might move that right here. Let me do that real quick. Okay, the ladder did not work over there because of the barn light. And then there's another spot over there that I need to paint. So I just had the fiddle fig over there in a basket. But I did go ahead and put the ladder over there for now. It's a very old antique ladder and it wasn't cheap when I bought it. And I absolutely love it. So I don't want to get rid of it. I do need to hang like another blanket on it. But I love my bookshelf. So if you guys are in the market for a bookshelf, I will link LLC Home, link the company down below in my description box, and check them out because I think it is super cute. It's definitely modern industrial farmhouse. It does have the faux wood laminate covering. At some point I probably will replace those with real pieces of wood that I can probably stain this color here so all matches, or I don't know, maybe I'll do all black, white, who knows. So in the meantime, it's cute, I love it, it works, and it goes again, I think pretty well in our downstairs family room. And I don't like coming down here because it smells like boys, except for today because I deep cleaned the whole entire downstairs. So this is the bathroom. You guys have seen this. I need to get some towels to hang on the hooks. And then the laundry chute. There's a stuck towel. So yeah, you guys, I've shared this whole space before. And yeah. And I DIY stamped the wall with just a sponge. So that's the laundry room slash bathroom. The toilet is behind here. So, yep, the boy hub. I can hear them in their room gaming, and my oldest is sleeping. When my boys aren't gaming, this is how the chair would typically be, facing our couch. And obviously that looks a lot better, but it's fine. They can turn it and face the TV while they're gaming. Big piece there. It's from Kirkland's. When I say I mean this guy. This guy. Because yeah, I want it ties in with like the trunk, the green books, my green pillows. So I want it there. Before it was the window.